Hello friends, today we're diving into the world of Fiverr, and I'm going to show you how to successfully navigate the platform to get more orders and make more money. Are you struggling to get orders on Fiverr? Feeling stuck even after creating a gig? Don't worry, I'm going to share some proven tips that will boost your Fiverr orders and help you grow your freelancing career. These tips are simple, but if you follow them properly, you'll see amazing results. So watch this video till the end because each tip is super important. Let's get started. The first tip to getting more orders on Fiverr is to market it. One of the best ways to do that for free is through social media. The more people that see your gig, the more likely you are to get an order. So where should you be sharing your Fiverr gigs? Everywhere. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and even WhatsApp status. When you're sharing your gig on social media, don't just drop your link and disappear. Write a short, engaging post about your services. For example, you could say something like, "Need a professional logo? Check out my gig on Fiverr for high-quality designs at affordable rates." And here's a bonus tip. When you get a new order, ask your client if they wouldn't mind sharing your gig on their social media as well. This is a great way to get even more exposure for your gigs. Have you ever noticed the online sellers filter in Fiverr's search results? This little filter is actually a game changer. Many buyers on Fiverr only want to work with sellers who are online right now. Let's say there are 228 sellers offering logo design services on Fiverr. But when a buyer filters their search results to only show online sellers, that number suddenly drops to just 7. This means that if you're not online, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to get noticed by potential buyers. So how can you make sure that you're always online on Fiverr, even when you're not actually sitting at your computer? Use a Chrome extension called Easy Auto Refresh. Install the extension from the Chrome Web Store, go to your Fiverr dashboard, click on the Easy Auto Refresh icon, and set the refresh interval to 120 seconds. Now, your Fiverr page will stay active and your status will remain online, even when you're not actively using the platform. The first order is the hardest. Getting your first order on Fiverr can feel like an impossible task. You're competing with thousands of other sellers, many of whom have tons of positive reviews. But once you get that first order, everything changes. Fiverr's algorithm starts to recognize you as an active and trustworthy seller. So how can you get that all-important first order? Don't be afraid to ask your friends, family, or colleagues if they need any of the services you offer. Consider offering a low-cost introductory service to attract buyers. Once you've built up a portfolio of positive reviews, you can then increase your prices. Make sure that you're delivering high-quality work and providing excellent customer service. Your response time matters. In the fast-paced world of online freelancing, response time is everything. Fiverr tracks your response time and uses it as a factor in their algorithm. If you consistently take a long time to respond to messages, it can hurt your profile ranking. Make it a goal to respond to all messages within 1 hour. If you're away from your computer, use the Fiverr Mobile App. Take advantage of Fiverr's quick replies feature and make sure that you have Fiverr notifications turned on. Download the Fiverr app. Seriously. If you're serious about growing your Fiverr business, you need to download the Fiverr Mobile App. The Fiverr app allows you to manage your entire Fiverr business from your smartphone. You can use the app to do everything you can do on the website, including browsing gigs, sending and receiving messages, submitting offers, managing orders, and tracking your earnings. The real beauty of the Fiverr app is that it allows you to stay connected to your Fiverr business even when you're away from your computer. So if you haven't already, download the Fiverr app today. You got this! I personally use these exact methods to get my first Fiverr order, and they really work. The competition on Fiverr is tough, but with the right strategy, you can stand out and succeed. Just stay consistent and follow these proven tips. Let's recap. 1. Share your gig on social media. 2. Stay online on Fiverr. 3. Get your first order quickly. 4. Respond to messages fast. 5. Use the Fiverr Mobile App. If you follow these Fiverr tips, you'll see results very soon. Support this channel. If this video helped you, support this channel by doing 3 simple things. Subscribe to my channel, because my next video has a big surprise for Fiverr sellers. Turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update. Like this video and keep me in your prayers. Best of luck on your Fiverr journey. Keep hustling, keep improving, and success will come your way.